What are you doing August 15th? If you're a Toastmaster and you're going to be in the Bahamas, join us for this special, one-of-a-kind, one-time only live event. Speak like a champion. If you've ever dreamed of owning the stage, being at one with the audience and wondering how did they do it? Well, it wasn't until I met my coach, Mark Brown, that everything changed. Think about it this way. If you want to speak like a champion, wouldn't it make sense that you need to think like a champion and prepare like a champion and find the subjects the way we did? Well, join us for this special event. If it wasn't for Mark Brown, look, I have been a Toastmaster for 7 years in 4 clubs until I met Mark to understood how he thought, how he prepared, so I could find the champion inside me. If it wasn't for learning from Mark, I wouldn't have had this moment.
And the 2001 World Champion of Public Speaking, Darren LaCroix. King Darren, your subjects would like to hear a few words from you.
Of course, the great, the one and only, the genius of speaking, Mark Brown, David Brooks, Ed Tate, the champions are so gracious, giving me wisdom and advice, and I knew I would work hard, but they helped keep me on the right track. Just one more little thing. Did anyone else ever cry during this thing? Am I the first one? Does that count as a gesture? I'll never forget. My dad probably doesn't even remember. He said, I don't care what you want to do. Just be the best. And I am, Dad.
And that day, before they announced it, I walked off stage and I knew that I nailed it under the pressure of the contest. I didn't know if I had won, but I came and delivered the speech that I came to give. That's speaking like a champion. Join us for this special event. If you connect with your audience and you help them, you are unforgettable in their eyes. That's a champion. So join Andre, DTM, Kelly, Mark Brown, and me for this special event in Nassau. Invite your friends, but please register to save your seat. We'll see you in Nassau.